we recently had our 15th anniversary. And we had a lot of fun with it. And we had a lot of fun with the expectations that society places on anniversaries and the things you should do for
You
them.
mean we had a lot of fun making fun of the expectations? You know,
Yes, we did.
I can't imagine flowers or a card meaning less than when it's just a fulfillment of a societal expectation.
Yeah, an obligation, essentially. Right? And everybody buys into this. You've got people on one hand expecting to be given chocolate or massages or a fancy card or dinner, right, dinner out. Yeah. And then, you have the businesses taking advantage of that, right? Knowing that there's that expectation. And so they're, charging extra for a dozen roses or for that dinner out.
As we were coming toward this 15-year anniversary, which, in a way it sounds like, wow, not a lot of people are at their 15th anniversary and are having as much fun
that's true
as we are. So in a way, to me, it did deserve some celebration, but the idea of doing it in the way that everybody else does it, the way we're taught you're supposed to do it, that just has no appeal to me whatsoever.
We believe more in trying to make every day more of a birthday or a holiday.
A celebration.
A celebration.
Yeah.
Molly concocted a great experience for our 15th anniversary, one I would have never considered. We can't tell you everything about it, but it did involve a lot of making out in cars. That's one thing I can tell you.
Yeah, several different locations, and they all had a special meaning to us. This is an anniversary we won't forget.
Right.
If it had involved cards, flowers, and dinner, I wouldn't remember it a week later.
Yeah, I can't remember the last one.
So here's to doing something really unique, not expected on your next anniversary.
And, to also take that anniversary or birthday energy and try to carry it into the rest of the year as well, so that every day has some of that special meaning.
That quality
of
celebration, celebrating your connection.
In your life, yeah.
That's the other reason that it seems so silly to us that, this one day is the day you're supposed to celebrate your connection. I'm like, yeah, we do that every day.
What do you do the rest of the year?
Yeah.